If you've forgotten your Threads password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to gain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the process to work smoothly. Step 2. Go to the login screen. If you are not already on the login screen, log out of your current session. Look for the option to log in, which will take you to the login interface. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email or username. You will be prompted to enter the email address or username associated with your Threads account. Fill in the required information and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email for instructions. Check your email inbox for a password reset link sent by Threads. Follow the link and create a new password as instructed. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log back into your Threads account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.